What if I told you one misfired rocket in a Siberian swamp nearly ended the space race? October 24th, 1960, Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan. The Soviet Union is desperate. Sputnik shocked the world, but American U-2 planes threaten Soviet dominance. Marshal Mitrofan Nadelan faces pressure from Khrushchev for missile readiness. Engineers warn the new R-16 rocket is unstable and dangerous. Fuel leaks. Wiring is rushed. Safety protocols are completely ignored. Nadelan drags a chair to the launch pad, sitting beneath the missile. Hundreds of technicians crowd around the fully fueled weapon. A timer is mishandled. An engine ignites on the pad. The rocket becomes a burning tower, toxic fuel showering the platform. At least 70 die in the disaster, possibly more than 100. The Soviet press calls it an airplane crash, hiding the truth. Inside the program, everything changes with new safety protocols. Those buried in unmarked graves help make space safe for Gagarin.